fxxy and dou cube f upon dou y dou x dou y for the function f of xy equals x square y raised to 5 minus 2x square y plus x. fxxy is the partial derivative dou by dou x applied on dou square f upon dou x dou y. First we will have to evaluate dou f by dou y, which we have to again partially differentiate with respect to x, and that answer will have to be again partially differentiated with respect to x in order to evaluate fxxy. First we will find out dou f by dou y, that is, take partial differentiation of f of xy with respect to y treating x as a constant. First term, when differentiated with respect to y treating x as a constant, we will get the term x square into 5 times y raised to 4. When this term is partially differentiated with respect to y treating x as a constant, you will get 2x square into derivative of y with respect to y, which is 1. When the last term is differentiated with respect to y treating x as a constant, derivative will be 0. Therefore, we have dou f by dou y equals x square 5 y raised to 4 minus 2x square. Now, in order to evaluate dou square f upon dou x dou y, we have to take derivative of this expression with respect to x, treating y as a constant. When 5x square y raised to 4 is partially differentiated with respect to x, treating y as a constant, we will have y raised to 4 into 5 into derivative of x square with respect to x. Derivative of x square with respect to x is 2x. Therefore, we have the first term 5 into 2x into y raised to 4. In this first term, we have y raised to 4 and 5 are constant when you carry out partial differentiation with respect to x. For this term, when you carry out partial differentiation with respect to x treating y as a constant, we have derivative of x square is 2x. Thus, dou by dou x of 2x square is obtained as 4x. Thus, we have dou square f upon dou x dou y obtained as 10 times x y raised to 4 minus 4x. In order to evaluate this partial derivative, now we have to take derivative of this expression with respect to x treating y as a constant. That is, fxxy equals dou by dou x of dou square f upon dou x dou y. That is, dou by dou x of 10 times x y raised to 4 minus 4x. When you take partial derivative of this term with respect to x treating y as a constant, we have 10 and y raised to 4 are constant, and derivative of x with respect to x is 1. Therefore, the first term is 10 y raised to 4. Derivative of 4x treating y as a constant with respect to x is 4, because derivative of x is 1. Thus, we obtain fxxy equals 10 y raised to 4 minus 4. Now, we will calculate dou cube f upon dou y dou x dou y. First, we have to evaluate dou square f upon dou x dou y. The output of this expression will have to be again partially differentiated with respect to y treating x as a constant. We have already evaluated dou square f upon dou x dou y as 10x y raised to 4 minus 4x. This expression now will have to be partially differentiated with respect to y treating x as a constant. In this process, we see that 10 and x are constants in the first term, and derivative of y raised to 4 with respect to y is 4 times y cube. Thus, we obtain the first term as 10x into 4y cube. Derivative of 4x with respect to y treating x as a constant will be 0, because 4 and x are constants and there are no expressions of y to be differentiated. Therefore, derivative of this constant with respect to y will be 0. Thus, we have dou cube f upon dou y dou x dou y obtained as 40 times x y cube.